Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it was a very beautiful Sunday morning and I made a very nice picnic breakfast at my tiny balcony, and I hope this wine can give you some inspiration. So first of all, I prepare a pot of very nice persimmon Turkish tea. Because this morning the weather is a bit like windy, so it is really good to have a warm tea. I'm going to make some casadilla with the eggplant and tomato fillings. Actually, this is I created my own recipe because I still have some eggplant, tomato, garlic, onion, olive oil. I mix everything like you make um, the sauce of bolognese sauce. I put Italian herbs, and then because I don't have beef, so I put beef stock in it, and I mix until everything tender. I spread it on the tortilla. The tortilla that I'm using this time is the instant one because I don't have to spend long time in the kitchen, and I just want to have a quick breakfast today in the balcony with my friend. And then I add some mozzarella and some chicken sauces as a topping, and then I put on the pan with the medium heat, and you let it there until one side is crispy. Then you have to flip it over on the other side so that both sides will be warm and crispy. If both of sides have been crispy, usually you can notice by the tortilla wrap will look brownish. Then you remove it from the pan. While it is still warm, I cut it and then serve. It is really nice to have it warm, because when it is cold, it's not crispy anymore. I have it with some salad. This time I'm using cucumber and olive. Actually, you can use any other vegetable available at home as a salad. as our dessert, we have our peach yogurt. It is made by Meiji and this is halal. So if you are trying to find a halal yogurt in Thailand, I recommend this brand Meiji. Most of this brand is already put the halal logo. So this is really a very simple and quick breakfast. I hope it can give you the inspiration. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give your like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you again in my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.